This Ford Bronco is nowhere near stock. From the bumpers to the lights, to the big wheels and tires, and underneath, a fantastic lift kit from Southern Truck. If you plan on taking your Bronco off-road at all, or just want a better stance, you need this kit from Southern Truck. The kit provides just enough extra height to get over the rocks and through the puddles without making it harder to get in and out of your Bronco. It's made from T60-621 billet aluminum, making it lightweight, tough, and rust resistant, so you can hit those puddles, snowbanks, and even more with no worry. Some of us had to wait a really long time to get a new Bronco. Why would you leave it stock? If you're wanting to make your Bronco a little bit more aggressive, this kit allows for up to 35-inch tires. That'll make any stock Bronco an instant head turner. So if you're an avid off-roader, overlander, or plan on adding heavier bumpers or cargo setups, this kit from Southern Truck is ideal for your Bronco. So if you're interested in this lift kit from Southern Truck for your Bronco, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.